everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare tomato saar. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 8 tomatoes, 1 onion, and for seasoning oil and mustard. Let's start the preparation. Add few tablespoons of oil, add mustard, let the mustard splutter, then add onion. As onion turns translucent, add tomatoes. Add salt. Cook for few minutes. Once done, add 3 glasses of water. Bring it to a boil. Add salt as per taste. Then at last, garnish with coriander leaves. Yummy tomato saar is ready. Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.